Hi guys, welcome back to CountyLine Farming. In today's video we are harvesting wheat. So what do you say? Let's get to it. This field was corn before. It was chopped off. I planted it to wheat, and then now it's July 9th. We're cutting it off and we're leaving a windrow, and in a couple days we'll come by and it'll be picked up and put into a big square bale, and the straw will be used for bedding for heifers. So right now I got the two 500 bushel wagons, and then right here is the seed wagon. This should fill up the seed wagon, and then we need probably what's left. We'll top off that other wagon, and then I might run the combine again tonight while Dad's doing chores. Got the seed wagon full. Mom's gonna bring some fuel to the combine, and I'll keep combining in this field. We have this field, another smaller one at this farm, and then we just have two more left, so we're half done now. Unloading. Another half a dump and that one will be full. Let's get back to it. So this field isn't by far, isn't our best wheat field for the year. The wheat's doing alright this year. It's nothing special, but just a spot here and there that do really good. Right now it's at 50 bushels to the acre, which is about normal for this field. That's about what the average is so far this year. So, door likes to pop open. But we got about 2 more rounds left in this field, and it'll be done. The moisture is at 13% right now. The grain elevator wants it at 13.5, so it's just a tick too dry, but that way you don't get docked. Some spots it's down to 40, and other spots it's up to 65 in this field. So got about 3,000 bushel done so far this year on wheat, and it's going pretty good so far. I don't think I'll quite be able to get all that in one more pass over there. I need to go to that end of the field to go to the next field over there, but the wagons are behind me, so if I have a foot or two I can just whip down to the other end, 3-4 mile an hour with like a foot or two, just cutting it off. That's probably what I'll do. That way I can get as much as I can in the wagons before I have to have somebody come move field. Yeah. There for a while we was holding 70 bushels of the acre back there. We literally got like 1.5 feet. Oh boy. Need that 25-foot extension. Or that 25, you could get like a little, we could have somebody laying out on a sickle bar mower throwing it in. And I'm missing over there. Yep. So we're on our last field of wheat right now. It's about 6 o'clock. So if we get done tonight, it'll be pretty late. About 15 acres left of wheat. Closer to 20. Honestly, but 50% chance of rain tomorrow, so it may rain, but it may not. Who knows? And got a semi-load of wheat out about an hour ago, so we have enough room in the bin to finish. It's about 9 o'clock. We got 106 acres of wheat off. We got about 5 more to go, and we'll be done. About 9 o'clock, Dad just went to feed out first batch and do second at home. I mixed up first batch at home and fed it the second heifer farm. And been moving hay bales so we can fill the big barn with straw. So head up, head down, watch that wheel go round and round. Cotton. Sunset. Second to last pass of the wheat. Oh boy. He's really bogging there. Got some down wheat here. Getting a little tough, it's not horrible. This wheat's all laying that way. We're slowing her down. She's really bogging. We're going 2 miles an hour. It's acting in 30 bushel wheat right now. And it's acting like we're going 4 miles an hour in 30 bushel wheat. Is near. We're gonna end up with just a little over 113 acres. At least that's what the monitor says. You can see the ends right there. Gonna end up in the waterway in this field. At least I'm not at the totally back corner. What speed should we finish at? We will finish at 4 miles an hour. 3 miles an hour. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? We're done. We are done with the wheat. Yeah, buddy. Oh, there's a little patch. That was like one little thingy. Thingy and one little head. There you go. Hey, Dad. He's sitting up there in the tractor waiting for me to get done. We're done. Lift the header all the way up and get all the stuff going. through. Come on now, get in there. There you go. You know you want to. Get the combine all cleaned out and unloaded, and we'll head home for the night.